Hey everyone, Alvin here with a quick announcement. Over the past several months, I've been working diligently on creating an ultimate mock exam package designed to help you prepare and pass your CAPM exam on your first try. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you what exactly I've been working on. I've been working on creating an ultimate mock exam package containing 14 jam-packed resources that includes all of the following. It's taken me the past several months to finally put this all together, and I'm excited to announce this with you. 2 mock exam simulators, each containing 150 questions according to PMI's CAPM exam outline. Comprehensive step-by-step answer workbooks for each mock exam, as well as their own interactive score dashboards. A wide variety of my own cheat sheets that you can print out to master all 49 processes, ITTOs, the Agile framework, and all 12 earned value analysis formulas. My personal ITTO Excel chart. Now this is something that I created when I was studying, and I used this extensively throughout my entire journey because I needed a way to review the ITTOs quickly and focus on the ones which have the biggest impact on the exam. My practice workbook containing 45 practice questions so you can get ahead and master earned value analysis the easy way. And finally, I'm also throwing in 2 extra bonuses. My exclusive exam playbook, which contains all of my lessons learned and exam strategies, as well as my roadmap to success and complimentary 9-week study plan so you know what exactly to study to pass your exam. This is an amazing list of resources that I personally wish I had when I was studying for my own CAPM exam, and I cannot wait to finally share this with you. Think of all of these resources as learning from your own personal coach to guide you from start to finish so that you can pass your CAPM exam on your first try. So to get access, my ultimate mock exam package is coming out next Tuesday. So mark your calendars, hit the like button, and subscribe to the channel so you'll be the first one to be notified when it comes out. There's so many resources being released next week, so be on the lookout for when my ultimate mock exam package launches next week. I want to thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to talking to you in next week's video.